Wouldn't it be nice if there was a one-size-fits-all package for people that are trying to lose weight and improve their health? Well, unfortunately, there's not. But today I want to share with you a system that is working for me. I'm seeing it work for other people. And I just want to share with you the information, and then that way you can make an informed decision. You may decide, hey, this is something that I want to look a little bit more into, or you may decide, you know what, that is so not for me. The decision is all yours. But first of all, let me introduce myself. I am Rachel Clark, and I empower people to live their best and healthiest life with purpose and passion. So today I want to share with you the Isagenix Weight Loss Basic Kit. And the company was founded off their meal replacement shakes with a cleanse day. And I'll get into that in a minute, but first of all, with their meal replacement shakes, what they recommend is that you, in the beginning, replace 2 meals a day with their shakes, have a healthy meal, and they can be whichever meals that you want to replace. That's completely up to you. And then a couple healthy snacks throughout the day. And if you're like me, one of the biggest struggles I've had on my journey, it's like fixing the right food. What am I supposed to eat? And this has simplified my life. And I never feel like I'm having the same thing over and over because they have a variety of shakes to choose from. So that is what you're going to, that's like the main basis of your plan, is the meal replacement shakes. And then about once a week to begin with, they recommend a cleanse day. And what this is, it is detoxing your body at a cellular level. And so this just really is great for helping you to release those toxins, to reduce inflammation. It helps give me even more energy. So that is the basis right there of the package. It is their shake days and their cleanse day. Now, some of the other things that come in with their weight loss basic kit are natural accelerator capsules, and what this does, it may give you a little bit of energy, but it helps to boost your metabolism. And then at night before you go to bed, you take the Isoflush capsules, and this is one of my favorite products. It helps with your digestive system. It helps me sleep better. And if you're somebody that deals with constipation, these are a must-have. I know it's not something that we usually like to talk about, but it's something that a lot of people deal with. So these are a game changer. One of my other favorite products that comes in the kit is the Isagenix Supreme. And this helps to naturally reduce stress. And I don't know about you, but I definitely need to reduce my stress levels. So by using this system, I have noticed an increase in my energy. I have a better relationship with food, and I know that seems kind of weird, but I believe it's through doing the cleanse day. And the cleanse day is a combination with cleanse day and using intermittent fasting. And I'll be doing a video with more detail on that later on. I don't want to keep you too long, but I just wanted to give you an overall view of this system and how it's working for me, how it's working for other people. And I will tell you that before I had started on this system, I had already lost 30 pounds and I was doing pretty good. But this has helped me lose an additional 5 pounds. It's helped me become leaner. And like I said, just being able to sleep better, have even more energy. I'm about to be 48 years old, and I truly am in probably the best shape of my life. I feel the best that I've ever felt. And I am seeing these amazing results with so many other people. So you may think that, hey, this is something that could work for me, you know, and if not, I completely understand. Down in the comment section, I will share my email address so you can reach out to me personally with any questions that you have. And I'm also going to leave a link to my private Facebook group where I can get you added, and there we share more information on the products, testimonials, Also a ton of recipes. So the shakes are covering, 2 meals a day when you first get started, because then you might cut down to 1 meal a day. That's completely up to you with using the shakes. But you still have another meal that you need to be concerned with, and you want to make sure that that is the healthiest meal that you can come up with. So I have a lot of different recipes to help you with this. They're simple. If you're like me, you just don't have a lot of time to spend in the kitchen. So they're easy, they're delicious, and it can really help you on your journey. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified of when I upload more videos, and I hope this information helped you. Again, I'll be dropping information down in the comment section below so you can reach out to me with any questions. Thanks again for watching.